It is me. I'm somewhere. Ah, yes, I'm up on the top right. Mmm, delicious. Mmm. Why, we? We? Yeah. Hey. Alright. What are you? Excuse me. Um. Robot that likes following me around for no reason. Just slither on way through. Whoa! Okay. Comes on both sides. Wee. Can't catch me, I'm the red drifter person now. Come back down here, I dare you. Never mind, never mind. I don't dare you. I don't dare you. I don't dare you. We. Oh, I hit you. That's a king vulture. Duh. Eh. Uh-oh. Why is everything here? Everything that's trying to kill me is trying to kill me. What did I do? I didn't... Okay. Well, besides what they did to me, I definitely didn't do anything. That's a scavenger. No, 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 no. Peace over violence. Peace over... Die. Okay, that was stressful. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Wow, I killed a lot of these things. Fun moment. Alright, so I think I just go upwards. Well, I don't think I can go up, actually. Let me hold garbage waste. One of my not favorite places because of acid. And lots of acid. Gaming. There's a spider. Alright, so I'm back here. Let me just slide down here. Ooh, yummy. It's the last scavengers. Great thing about this is that they don't see me yet. Ow. Don't you dare. I am full. Oh boy. Water. This one's not dangerous. Not dangerous at all. Alright. Am I out? Am I whole free? Ow! Karma gate. Karma gate. Karma gate. Oh. Okay. Okay. That was terrible. Yeah, the pain. Also, that was own pain. Could be it was such a pain. I don't want to do that again. Oh boy, where am I? Where am I at? Drainage system. This is even worse. Not as worse. This is just pain, though. Could have gone up and right. No, left. This is why I hate this. This is why I hate this place. Leeches. What's up here, though? Leeches! 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 Run, 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 boy, run. I'm trying my luck. Alright. Delicious. Boing. No, stop it, leeches. Okay, made it. No! Get off me. Get off me, go. I hate water. Water's a pain. Such a pain. Ooh, that's a snack and a half. Don't bring me back to snack. Bring me the... You're not a snack. Give me that. Give me that. This is mine now. Ah! Okay. I see whose is whose's. I don't see who's this. That was supposed to be mine. See? It's easy. I only died like 3 times. I have more arenas. More nostalgia. Oh, I know where I am. I'm in outskirts. Oh boy, one of my favorite places to be. Well, one of the starting areas. Dun, 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 dun. I wonder. Ow. Oh, yo. No. Beggar. Ha! I grabbed up. Nope. Yes. Darn you. You know what? Come here. Wow. You only have like 5 HP. Or 0.5. Wow. I don't know what that lizard is. That's like a purple? Magenta lizard? Something like that. What's going on? I don't think I went on in. No. Why is everything after me? Get it. Oh. Oh, you're dead. Burn. Burn. A happy little boy.